You are looking live for one of the final times at the Giant Crane in downtown Lexington over there at City Center. It's going away this weekend, so it's been a big part of our skyline here for a while, but City Center just about done. We're going to miss it, but we're certainly enjoying what it built. So with all that, let's go ahead and talk about the rain that has been around. On the MaxTrack Live Doppler, most everything is now 64 and south, so we're getting it out. That's good as we get you set for the weekend. You see the few little showers that are around. We head off to the east, and there are some very light sprinkles remaining around Jeffersonville and Camargo back to Owingsville, right almost to Cave Run Lake, then continues on up to Moorhead, but these are dissipating out fairly quickly. The storm showers around Hazard just about gone. You've got a few heavier showers in Letcher as well as in Harlan counties. Those are headed off to the southeast and away. Light rain still from Mount Vernon back toward Broadhead and Crab Orchard. Berry got a little bit of rain still. Science Hill to Somerset. Some light rain and right around Lake Cumberland. We're still dealing with a little bit of rain, but we're getting it out. So good news with that. Today, something happened for the first time in a month. And we'll have that for you in a second. Last of the needed rain showing up on the MaxTrack Live Doppler now. And for the weekend, September's arriving just a little bit early. So high temperatures today, mid-80s to the south. Okay, that's still hot, but look at from about Highway 52 and north. Mid-70s at 75-degree high in Lexington. That occurred about 7:30 this morning. Why is that a big deal? Because what we can show you is, boy, when you build up the drum roll and then you all of a sudden there's the letdown. But that 75-degree high was the first below normal high temperature we have seen since July 25th. You saw, again, all the 90-degree days that we have seen, but every one of the 80s was even above normal. So today was indeed the coolest. Now, right now, you see temperatures middle and upper 60s across the 64 corridor. A little warmer to the south as the cold front continues to make its way southward. Bluegrass Airport, we sit at 69. Picked up just under 0.2 of an inch of rain. Look at that northeast wind pumping in more cool air coming in at 15 miles an hour. So we've watched the rain crossing the area during the day today. As it's done so, we got, again, a pretty good soaking. The cold front now continues pressing southward. And as that happens, we are going to see our weather improve. We have got some stuff boiling down here in the Bahamas. And with that, likely going to become a tropical system. In fact, as we look at some of our computer modeling here, as we go through the weekend and beyond, the area off the Carolina coast, well, that's where we're seeing the prime possibility of tropical storm development. That could become Dorian sometime early next week. So again, we're keeping our eye out of the tropics. We are getting to that time of year. You know what? It's going to be an okay night, pretty good night. How about a great night out at Lakeside Live for the music of one of Lexington's best bands. Radio 80s playing out there tonight. Temperatures will be in the low 70s. The guys are thankful that the sun is not going to be beating down on them, but it's going to be a terrific night out there at Lexington Green. Variable clouds, patchy fog as the rain ends. We're in the upper 50s tonight. Tomorrow we'll be around 80. Enjoy the sun, enjoy the lower humidity, and that September preview. Low 80s Sunday. That rain chance you see is caused by Angie late in the day, and then temperatures will stay low.
For this over the last couple days.
Yeah,
sorry, I cut you off,
it.
but I had to defend myself.
You jinxed it. You said a couple of days ago, we've had these great weather weekends.
And it's still going to be a great weekend.
It really is.
Yeah. See, no worries.
Okay.
Thanks, Bill.